The time it all reached 10 o'clock for that side for Bamkikai and 10 o'clock for that side for Jotin. 10 o'clock it all reached for place where they call them for Ako with the salute all man for side for Nwa. We greet all man for Sokolo where they don't sit down now for front the television. Where to the main news, we could also remain for chapter for petrol for inside Yaoundé, where na capital for country, where the show said so. Inside the capital, you know the workers, no small because picking them. Since yesterday, the worker will vote for go for school because petrol, you know, should short for inside a petrol station. Now, so camera, it be work again for short morning time, and then ACM says our minister will be in charge of water and energy. Yes, will be cover talk say this so today, all thing it go fine. Inside Yaoundé again for play where they call him Monte Chapelle Obili. City mayor, he don't knock hand for table say this so. He come out another law. Say iron door, people they not get for put iron door again for the house and for the business place. Now we all man for that side. In the typhoid say they so na quarter for the people them how they don't go put iron door. We go talk again Palava accident after Puma accident Nangomoro where it don't last a mekam sote a turn one side. Now we people them plenty they tight for inside traffic and the accident it don't happen and then some small motor where camion jam it don't match them all. Plenty people them they don't die for this accident. We still wait talk where it go come out from mob from minister where it the local transport for inside country. We could come out for that one. We talk palaver this one. They catch the people them. That means the two boy them where the thief now for site for idea. Now gendarmerie national. He do the fine work. Some person he don't buy Okada for 25,000. Even bicycle they don't sell them for 25,000. So it will be not thief Okada where they can sell them for you after we they don't thief them for site for Douala. We go talk about this one insecurity for site for Kribi. They don't discover 3 cops where they don't kill them and then throw them for inside bush and all the 3 cops them na Okada people them where they don't do them bad work and some 2 cops in the way in not get head. That means they don't kill them, cut the head, go with them. We go talk again. Accident will happen for site for Ndobo. Now for corner Mayo company where they call say Mayo. Now where they talk to this some camion. If they come out for inside the company Mayo, if they come out na Giababa, Okada will be come out for site for right Bonadori. If they go for site for Bikoko, it can jam one time. 3 people them then die. 1 for inside the 3 people them na woman and then the camion it enter back for company a park. Basically them vex for that side. Inside that side for Melon and Consamba, they cry to say this so. Petrol this one now for Bikoko, for the go for side where they call them for Bomono. No way in order for that side now sharp morning time. People them they also do with a gallon them. They work at the find petrol. They say they find now Jesus where we die for sick we and we if we talk say it go turn back. We go talk again part of this big book where minister where it be in charge of water and energy for inside country where it don't come out and it show the population for Cameroon say this so number 12 day for number 12 month 2023 say petrol it go there for all petrol station but that way we turn we not see nothing. We go now for side where they call am for side for Bafan Koljok for see the road the population they suffer and they say this so plenty shop it come out and even the hospital where Cameroon government it don't come out plenty money it been them for side from Dobian doctor them where they will send them for that side then say the last run leave the hospital and then population they suffer for that side and even Palava Coco it come up plenty for that side but road you know they and again work where minister where the local work for inside a country If we talk to so for October 2023, they go start for build this bridge where it come out for side where they call am from Dobian, for go for that side from Tokokwa. So now people and so they cross now inside water, even they take Okada for take cross inside water. So the back say this so make government look inside the matter because contractor don't can leave the caterpillar and then it disappear. Science story for sharp morning time, it tell we say what science story for sharp morning time, it tell we say woman where a carry belly for 9 months. Now it tell we how picking it big for inside belly. Woman where carry picking for belly for 9 months. Now it tell we how picking it ever big for inside belly. Person we say now for we now Pastor Mbe Christian, it is for site for Limbe and Limbe now for site for Fako now inside Cameroon. Woman will support him na Ma Mary na business woman for site for Tombel it na for inside Kope Maningoba so for Southwest Cameroon. Now then one come back we say we hip high for thing we to remind them bring up. Plenty people then be ask them say Osa land they say we don't go. Ye say self he don't turn back. Now he the match button for today. That means say she don't quiet because when we talk and he say me you she don't quiet because if I talk you talk last me and you we not go understand ourselves. Me we start now for chapter 1 now Palava petrol for inside Yaoundé Santa Barbara. Now for the we start for Sham morning time as book it will come out. We don't still go again for Sham morning time. It will be now 7 a.m. for Sham morning time for number 12 day, number 12 month 2023. We meet up again. Okada people them flop again for petrol station. They say they so they don't pass night for this place. That means the second day where they sleep for petrol station. Carriage now, no nothing, you know the work at all. They say they so book where this contraband, it don't come out time. Say they so they could get petrol for Sham morning time. They sleep. And still yet they never get their petrol carriage now. All man for that side, it vex say this so minister he don't talk, but it didn't say the commander no man he never respect them. Camion or they call them tanker where we get for bring a petrol night. A number last succeed for enter for inside Yaoundé winner capital. Where you look and you see say this so any man a day only with gallon for hand say this so machine it don't stand and motor it don't park for road where petrol don't finish. So all them they come with all this gallon them now for come buy petrol for inside. Also petrol day petrol for Cameroon it don't turn na gold and where they tell you say this so petrol it they come up for side for Limbe for that baby water for that side but how petrol could they shot again for inside house. Now question where all man it ask them and if this petrol no can quick this body where they work Okada and taximen them they feel last join a bad work for the thief people them because if they not work that means last they could go put their hand for thing where a no be their own. Inside Yaoundé city mayor always every day they say they sleep. He don't have a table. He talk again say this so for Monte Chapelle Obili. Say iron door them not exist again for that quarter. Now way all man for that side the vex say this so why did they work out they more people them the iron door. Say iron door again waiting for do and iron door is there for protect any man property. Now way this man don't talk to this so the iron door it get problem with the council. Now way all man it talks to this so for Cameroon we could get kind law because this kind of law now law way from people them it they never understand. Even to man it never understand because for be your house now you say they come out your capital even for buy a plot now you the come out capital you build them put your door council say this so it no need door. That means a council a day with people them where they get for come broke enter or what the pass. Anyway, way there, small time to the man where they for site for Monte Chapelle Obili. He says he get talk for talk when talking it go reach. We talk now Palava accident. Now when Christmas and New Year it don't come. Now it is for site for Puma after Puma. Nothing this way happen. Big bim bongoro. Now it come out one time. It can't match this small motor. People that be there for small motor. Well, how many man it no sabi at all. Now wait till that way it happen for that side. They say they so this bongoro where it be carry container and container where come out again for one man country with one man their cargo where they don't use them and they send them for Africa so that we will use them. Now container that we don't fall after a block road. I said traffic for the more than 1 hour 30 minutes where people then they park their motor. So one them they cross and then take another motor for go Yaoundé. So one them cross, take motor for go for side the column for the water. It not be easy at all as when I see them. So this accident it don't make them plenty people don't die. When you look at you see say this so cannot use yourself it don't judge you for them for air. It shows this one now man picking camion if it be a woman camion. All you put them, they for air because women them for inside Cameroon, they don't give their life now for love. See the small motor where this camion, it don't grant them. People that want to be inside, outside and they not ask me question because person will go for answer that question. Now minister where the local transport sector for inside country where you say second rich now, in over for tell we how many people them they be there for inside motor, how many people they don't wound and how many people they don't die. Anyhow way we are also there for upside and we here too it there for upside for year wait to way minister could talk because now time where any man it must be vigilant. Any man must look at how it put the foot because new year now the only time where person in fit is Siam. So some people will talk to so some people in the turn up for road with camera when motor run with speed they film them after the person they go catch them. But it they say sometimes corruption it don't enter for inside the people them their skin. We reach now for side where they call them now for idea. Gendarmerie nationale for side for IDA, it don't do fun work. It don't do fun work. I say Gendarmerie nationale, groupement for side for IDA, it don't do fun work. What they don't do, they don't try some true boy them where they don't take Okada for side for Douala, cancel them for 25,000 for site for IDA. Now we commandant USSF, it don't sign book. Say this matter now for state council where they get for go end. Now state council get for decide for come out them, me them go back for house, and now state council it get one time for put them for inside gata. That time now it not consent gendarme and plenty people in the complain. Say when they catch them, go there for gendarme and for police. State council it go release them and the people then when they want come back now, the people then they be wild as when they see them. So let's go one time go peace before you come back because you get for intermoto for gendarmerie for go for state council. Now in that way it happen so they don't carry them now. For go time for state council. Now state council now you be referee where it get for tell we whether a number not enter or it don't come out upsize. We don't have a site for Kribi. Sad news we don't happen for site for Kribi. What happened for Kribi? They don't discover 3 people them where they go for inside bush where they don't kill them and the 3 people them now Okada people them now time where they don't see the cops where they call Okada people them see me they can't see the combi they can't meet up the cops. 1 cop is still there full but 2 cops them they way they never meet up head. Now we all man for that side it vex say so the other time they be meet up people them for inside bush where they don't kill them tie them for inside back. Now another one this again where they make them even SDO for site for Kribi USSF now SDO for Kribi that will be first day now Joe for $3 for site for littoral. Now it is where it work fine for $, they send it now for site for Kribi and it talks to so me any man for site for Kribi me be vigilant and it back Okada people where they walk Okada suited for night, say they so, me they start they close early because they don't see wait till we don't pass for that combi them. Enough and say me happen again. I don't talk to they so police and gendarme now it could them now outside and it could ask people them, it could make control for ask identity card for night and then outside where motor they go and Okada they go. But I know say they so for inside Kribi, they not get them taxi, they untaxi them for that side now Okada. Now why that way now Okada where they take them for that side plenty. We talk Asha for family for those where they don't lost the family brother say this so now wait till where they happen now some man this where he don't lost his brother-in-law for inside the matter for killing for side for Kribi when a small town and now time for go enjoy life but insecurity where they for it now kill man pay so any man where the shit for Kribi it must shine his eye. Accident will happen for site for Bonaberi after you enter double. After you enter double. People that want to go down, don't say that motor don't jam them. But na camion don't jam them for their back. And when na camion for some company where it ever makes soap for site from double. They say there's a time when this camion it will lose savon. They come out and they make na gear back and then Okada come over right for go for side for big cocoa. Now way it can jump for the. Then they be on top Okada then 3. 2 man picking with 1 woman and all them die. All them die now way camion he just discover say they don't die. He decide for enter back for inside company for Savon and then he hide himself and then so population they vex say this so if they not come out the driver that means say company could do for inside trouble. Inside Cameroon, poor man and rich man for court. Rich man, even if be on the wrong, it could also be important for Cameroon. Pass man way a day alive. We go do one now. Now so the matter it happen. Maybe if I go back for chapter for no petrol for inside Cameroon for side for Douala, Bikoko. This one na petrol station when you pass fly over. Where road you pass for down for go for southwest and then so one they pass for up for go for side for west region. Now for national road number 5, now for where they start. Petrol station where a day by the left, if you come out the water for go for side for Susa, before you want reach for side for Bomono. Now so population a flat for day for sharp morning time. I say now sharp morning time where this one it happen. Now sharp morning time where this one it happen and with the thank Mr. Valentine where in 1 more time we get this video. So if they go walk, if they say this so to the man, where the pass for that side we get for sure. So now in this where people then flop. Not be saying that the church where they go for go give offering, or not say they go for church for go prayer, but they wait na petrol as with the wait Jesus will be die for sicker way and if he talk say he go come back with the wait if he be the worker will vote if he don't come. So petrol it don't turn at Jesus where the worker find him. And petrol don't turn a gold where with the worker define him for inside country. Petrol where they come up for side for Limbe now in this now. Where it don't determine we. Some people end they talk say this so now some system for ngom now for check the price for up and some people that talk say no now say petrol be there for inside ship where it be get for land. Minister ESSF a talker. Side for Melon and Consamba. So chapter for petrol for Melon and Consamba where in no day. I say where in no day from Consamba at all. Say we will go Consamba, go see how the population for that side they suffer too for petrol. When you want to look at petrol station, people they don't turn up for those who get last tire, then come out. Then come out them. Say they so they don't talk, they don't stand, they never see them. So this power get this motor where they work man for Bush, he said they so better he come in aside for a Douala, go side for southwest, go buy his Zazwa, come the user because he know the work at all. He know the work at all. Now in that. So this countryman said they so they think they overvex it because they see more one way day. When they look at the system a woman don't come with a gallon, they serve you. But when a man picking, you could stay for the whole day. So now anyway they talk to this so me mago he not enter for inside this matter. Say me mago he not enter for inside this matter because chapter for this petrol see only population. Me when I see only population, any man for your right hand na gallon. For your right hand na gallon. For left hand na gallon. Me we hear what this man they talk countryman. Il talk so with it.
À quelques kilomètres de
une personne vient autour même avec 7 filles, on lui sert seul. Nous qu'on a les bidons de 500 litres, on ne peut pas nous servir.
À quelques kilomètres.
That's when I know you don't talk. Me we look now, we put eye for book where this minister don't come out. Yes. Sorry, me we yet yes. This one a book where minister where in the local water and energy for inside Cameroon don't come out. Now Gaston, Elundo, Esomba, yes. He don't say so. Then be sorry for what they pass for country concerning petrol and say SDP. He don't assure the population say this so. Number 12 day for number 12 month 2023 say petrol could for all petrol station. Now when people that they ask questions say this book it is so. Him now for different country. Let the minister for give chance for another person because he never do his work. And again, now for time where any man he get for prepare buy petrol for see go work out with the family time where Christmas day it don't reach and New Year day. They say for side for Douala they don't give 13,000 liters for petrol station and for side for Douala. Now anyway people they talk say they so only for Douala motor the way people they get them for Douala it pass 13,000. How they could bring 30,000 liters for the whole Douala? So the thing the pass all man say they say minister they make na play. Say they say minister they make na play. If minister they make na play, me minister and no say they so for country with the follow na thing way man it don't write am. So any man again for no say they know the call now. Say we come on that number for calling. You don't put and so any man they call. Yes, time for calling, nobody reach. Yes, now WhatsApp number for anything where you get time where you get for send and for we, you send and for we through the WhatsApp number. This one now road where they come out for side for Bafang for enter for inside contract. And they say also this population they don't suffer for this road for 74 years. For 74 years, these people then they suffer inside mud. They say they don't turn a mud fish. They say time for campaign. Now we any them. Those where they don't put their hand for inside politics. They ever can put a thing where they call and say ground. Pass, go for inside village. Go through their own village as them. And then time where they don't come back, then forget say this so small time. The ground where they be put down and then they pass. Rain go fall on top, it go turn a mud. Like that. See the way where these people have for conjure they suffer. And can't chop the come up for this place. Now caterpillar this. Where from contract to sign contract. And when a minister will be a the lookout work for inside country. Where in the DM. Send me the camel bridge for this water. Where they come over side for Ndotoron, they enter for Ndotokwakwa, go for side for Ndobian. So I can put this hanya. See the way where people they suffer. They carry Okada. Listen na die body for take cross because bridge in no day. Because bridge in no day. We don't ask them for minister where they look out work for inside Cameroon and when I they give work. Say you begin work now for which kind company. Give me the name for the company so that me we say we go meet Toby for Assam. Why it is suffer people then for that side from Dotoron and from Dr. Kwakwa, even from Dr. Day. Those from the plan, they don't should not inquire because they don't tire. Now Okada that way they don't carry them, they say na corpse. They say na person don't die. I say na Okada that when they don't carry them, they say a person don't die. Well, so now so some village them they still there for inside Cameroon where they suffer so. For pass go for school for side from Dotoron, now so picking they cross inside water. For go for farm as mommy they go, now so they cross for inside water. Time when rain down for plenty, they carry people them and plenty people them they don't die for inside this water. One person no be cross. When you go for bush, 5 o'clock a reach, that means say you go sleep for farm. When you go market, 5 o'clock a reach, you must remain. For those who they take kai and afofo, when they don't take for market, they must sleep for market because they don't fit go. Those for that side from the Obian, they cry. Say there's a government for Cameroon, they don't do them fine work. Forbid them this hospital. The hospital don't last be now hospital from Grombip and cutting grass. And a monkey because it didn't inside bush. Who said the doctor then when they will send them? Me, they can't work for this hospital. All them they don't run. They go them for Bafang, go open their private clinic. And then they work for the clinic, they get their money. When money end, they still go take salary, say they work for this hospital. Then when we don't beg minister where they look out sick people them for inside country. Say me go for your record or you register. Look, those where they be poster, me they go work for that side. Because they know they do again and they take salary. That means that people them. For inside conjure, now where people they come out plenty for conjure. Cocoa they come out plenty. But my route for carry and cancel them for a Bafang, it no day. Cocoa they come out plenty, and when you want your cocoa for that side, they bear fine, and plantain they come out, cocoa they come out, yam they come out, egusi they come out, plantain they come out, banana they come out, but also road day. So they the bet say they so minister when I give road for a contractor may try for give road for Bafang Konjok. Me the contractor try way even na only for put gravel leave and so see on the cocoa where they don't harvest them put them for back but how they go do now for go with them for side for Bafang now for the way trouble day now for the way trouble day me yet when this countryman it go talk now I for ATM for site for Konjok countryman where to the pass minister where they look at work for Cameroon in never fees on a road minister where they look at sick people them he never say on a doctor for on a hospital. Talk me with your countryman.
We thank plenty of promoter them for chaîne de télévision. When at them, they carry our own message for go give for our own power, our own big elite. With them they call them say Papa Polubia. na the thing where we dey for cry for talk say Papa Paul Biya since we minister for Babu Papa Nganu Jubisie he be talk say for October work must start. Since now the work never first start. Now we dey na for December and we will be wait say how we minister don't talk say work go start for October say work go start. But now we see say the work never start. Now you we dey for cry for we own elite, we big elite wey dem dey call say Papa Paul Biya say he try for see we own problem for the road Bafang Nkonjo no Makombe for see Kase. Now Kakao said na he be talk say we turn back for village for go make agriculture. Now we dey for do the agriculture. Now we cocoa said he find now for price. Mais road carburant 1 liter for carburant now for Nkonjo na 1,200. For no Makombe na 1,500. And with them define themselves them not be see. We for rich better no day for Sika road. Na you we will so cry. For Sika say if you look set what will them be start them for no Mahu day for Mahu river for Mahu we dey go from Biam Dampong. Same now work never start. And river they so carry people them go. Now so you will talk. Say Papa Paul Biya talk for minister say them do that work say damn people too way them dey from Biam with them go from Biam for camp for Dobian say them too them be fine. Say people with them they go buy for day say them go buy. And now we want hospital way dey for Dobian day. We since we minister de la santé they move the woman way not be big can work. He nomme other one for interim. Since we don't nomme you for interim, he never pass it for day. Now so you will so cry say Papa minister so mean by again. People with them there for downside, we all hospital with them there, plenty them there like Doctor Tua, Doctor Rong, and Doctor Dobian Sema, we know workman no they try for send workman say people from normal compared to them here fine. For say now if he no help we no know again they can elite we feel help we if he no be na you Papa Paul Biya we don't decide say today dancing he don't finish.
Since October when minister for travel public we don't talk for we say he go try all chin for move way for all this suffer. We not see how we suffer from Nkonjo from Dobian. We not see only the route where this we na 50 kilometers for reach for Bafang. We suffer plenty for the route for Bafang Nkonjo. Alors I dey try now for pray God me Papa Paul Biya here we suffer, me here we cry. Me here we cry. Me try for talk say me minister fix with the route. How we sumo kaka don't go for up now. Any man now they fan. Any planter they fan for chop is more money. Now road where we pray Papa. Kaka don't go up, we don't thank you. Papa try for make say me the route waka Papa. Papa will thank you Papa Paul Biya. I beg try for fix we the route Bafang Nkonjo for interest for Dobian. We didn't 50 kilometers Papa. I thank you.
So you will so cry say Papa minister so mean by again. People with them they
talk small because this man he don't overvex. This countryman he don't overvex. He don't vex when him na small vex. He don't vex when him na small vex. As when I see him, this country people them anyhow we dey one day God he know they sleep he could look inside with a problem. Me we go now outside from Mokolo, from Mayo, Chanaga. For go see where to wait happen. Police, he don't do fine work for that site. Police, he don't do fine work. Now police that Commissariat Central, where they don't call Joe, call State Council, say it don't happen. 8 number, where from them, they be one organized na team for play ball, man no. I say na till people and this one na student. Now student wey don't go enter for inside gang for the people them. And they use na ladies bag. See other tackle where this boy them they remove am for people them their house. See other tackle where they come out am for people their house. And they use na pens monseigneur with the collapse. When they show am for your front, you must come all thing where you get am. You must come all thing where you get am. Now where police they can toss a catch am. And they say they so big man where he get this group they call her na Mr. Shawarda. Now he be big man, now he get the gun. And this Shawarda is there for inside Ngata. And now he give talk for upside. Say when I go for this quarter, so and so a man, when I catch him, take money for you, intercolor outing for us. Monday for prison, but they get group for upside where they work a thief. Inside Cameroon, in the same way we shine eye because it don't return some kind way. Some people then say na work no day. Some people then say they so inside Cameroon we over suffer and we all chop a day for Cameroon. Cameroon is no jam no nothing now because a white man we don't come job we. So tell we sign some kind of paper way today we don't discover say this so we be make a mistake with time don't catch we. Say we live am. Yes. No nothing not the jam for this country. All things you dey for Cameroon. If you need na wetin you dey for here. I want give small advice for those way they get the country. Yes, I want give them small advice. Although for them they don't ever like for hear them advice. When you propose something for them, they insert vex na vex. I want make a many Cameroonians them understand and those way they dey for up. Say Dubai, where all picking for Cameroon, they run they go na Dubai. Dubai it be na a small village. Dubai be na small village. Level Kribi. Dubai be level Kribi. And picking about Dubai, mommy them and papa them they will do na fishing. Time when they last discover say they so fishing they so they give them na small money. And for inside Dubai they get plenty thing them gold. And they get petrol. They get gas. Now way there be whole meeting. Where chief for that place it be whole meeting with the population for that side for Dubai. And then any quarter be bring one Pekin we don't go school small. They send them for one man country for go do study for be engineer. That way they don't finish them for 10 years. Where they don't sabi and fine. Now way chief for Dubai, he go carry all them, when I engineer them, bring them for Dubai. Say, na for you work money now. Anyway, they buy all the material, that boy them now as na engineer them, they start the work, they move petrol, they sell them, they move petrol, they sell them. Anyway, they make transform Dubai, a turn to heaven, as when I see them. So all we have to give them for inside country. Why we not send them to for one man country, me they go study, they come back for inside Cameroon. But we decide for sign a partnership or convention with people them for 100 years, for 50 years. Where they go come, they move things them for inside we ground. And then they give us a small thing. 10%, 20%, they take 80%, they go with them. We so decide, we decide now with it. We discover for Cameroon because those who they did before, they also pass time for sign. We don't sign partnership with this one. We don't sign for this one for 3 years, for 10 years, for 20 years. Now don't see how we suffer now Cameroon with all these things we will get them. Better they beg say me we follow the system where Dubai will make them before he develop as they don't develop today so. So for people go to ask and say Toure man now. Toure man God he don't add it 1 day again. Today na number 12 day for number 12 month 2023. When I go for Toure man. So people them the Dr. Maji. Yes, now them go bring we chop and then bring we Mimbo. No, it go bring the only chop. And then Dr. Moses, it go bring we Mimbo. And then Dr. Etondi go bring we wait again. Yes, it go bring 2 chop. Yes, person way it get for bring we cake. Yes, me will put them for here. It go bring na marginally. Yes, marginally when an iron lady. Now you get for bring we cake. Where we get for cut them, so that all my friend them, all my enemy them, they go meet up and then chop small. Because man, if you chop you one, when you chop you one, you go so they feel hungry. That time where you chop, you chop with group, you go dey fine. So person where they call and say Mr. Body, yes, Body Oliver with the family. Then too they go support the Mimbo. And then a person where they call and say Mr. Kang, yes, Mr. Kang Girigori. Yes, it go support for with Mimbo because for Cameroon we they drink Mimbo plenty. So person Shea Jones Yembe, yes, and the family. Then too they go support with the chop. You see, I'm no? Yes, and then Mr. SDO for Donga Mantum, it go support too with the Mimbo, and then SDO for Koseri. Chief for Koseri, yes, SDO for Koseri, it go support too with the chop. So anyhow with the town of God we don't protect we so we can reach today. Yes, anyway. Now we come back now. We go take telephone. Me any man try way for contribute for Sia. We go make Cameroon a go before. Ndenge. Not talk nothing where you don't hear na year. Because thing where you don't hear na year, it will always bring problem. Say we. Yes. Mr. Lambert Kiven they talk say we don't go come back, it don't bring weighty. Okay. Well, we don't forget some person. The person go vex. Yeah, my glory. When a manager for bar for side for Santa Bar, you get for send your own Mimbo. Quick, because after year we go celebrate their birthday. My glory. Yes. My glory for Santa Bar. Ain't no way to where they talk. Person two where they come and say Takwa. Yes, Mr. Takwa Emmanuel. When I tell you number 1 for Santa Bar, you two get for support. Me we take the first caller. Hello? We never carry head. They suffer neck for nothing. Why would they have one suffer neck? They shout every day. You want to call this program off volume for your TV. Man, the joke stand whether they now with your girlfriend. Oh. I know this man. Now my brother, now my friend. He put the volume, we begin to go. 650608498 for person with the reason. Now you get for call because it will follow the instruction. We salute my way because Chief Eze Buru number 1. We did for that side for Douala for Kayabasi. We salute to Chief Henry Diko. We did for Mevo Village. Now Chief for that side, and we salute Big Mami for that side for my 14. Hello. Good morning. Oh, Mr. Molo.
Yes, man.
Ilani? What you never tell you, Mr. Molo?
No, for that advice you don't give for we big people for country for considering that people for that county. So now very far I say they be supposed to take some of we go send for one man county, then they go take something that can make we will big we also. Now I said that for general.
Thank you plenty.
I'm happy.
Thank you plenty, countryman. Yes, first caller. Hello? Hello? Why you want call, make sure say you off volume for your TV at the back when and Beckham. Since we know the year 12 for Cameroon, we must year 13. Hello?
Hello. Good morning. This is Chief Ndape.
Yes, Chief Ndape. Coco Buyer. Chief Ndape, I have for Bangam.
Bangam fine. Now only water no do.
Where you say when a mayor and parliamentarian they do fine work?
That one not to read for social media.
When I cry water, we for your own they will crying at petrol.
Yes. Here water is 5 past everything.
Okay, what do you be there for talk Chief Ndape?
Well, I want to wish you sir your happy birthday.
Thank you.
But the only thing where my heart is very small. All my way you say me bring Kaku. Na so doctor. I don't hear no chief in it.
No, I don't put chief. I don't put chief Eze Buru. I don't put chief Henry Diko for Mayville. I put Chief Ndape. You know, yeah. Chief Ndape get for saying we na wine. Because
no, very important so that all the take well na chop am they go watch the truth.
Now so
enter the well.
Now so you did. Yeah, the man a better man, eh?
Yes.
Yes.
So the thing where the Hamburg with for Cameroon na road. All that promises where minister the give. When election one come, it go start for the moon. It go start for that moon. All that moon they go pass all. They go move on for the say private contractor not fight national militaire. They want for go Indian national militaire don't do it. But that one from Indian na zero. It just be like the one where they see for television. So with the bet the power where they be, may they not also the fool people. May them try to take action so that we go glad with them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chief Ndape, with the wet the wine. Yeah, now you don't talk. We take this man again. Another person. Hello, countryman. Countryman don't go now go. Countryman don't go. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
If you feel come up for noise and if you feel respect, wait till we don't talk, say me off volume for TV. That means say your head it is select better, but if you not do so, that means say we'll take different person.
Good morning, General.
Good morning. Who they call the person there for outside?
Derek for Buddha.
Yes, have a Buddha this morning.
Buddha day 5.
We the hear you now. Wait till you get for 10 week countryman.
Now only Palala petrol. We the die of Buddha Palala petrol.
Even for Buddha.
Even for Buddha, we know the buy the wrong pack all buy them for us. No, we know the.
Hey. That means say when I will last use na gasoil or when I will do how?
Now we the thought the other day say I say gasoil the people that will buy here run that is will start use the gasoil.
You don't matter outside.
I say you run bad.
Anyhow we do. We solution go come out and minister don't talk. We be sure say before day one dark all thing not be fine.
What you got the better on the 7 and I said today but never I see no sign of the show.
No, it go show. Thank you plenty. Hello, countryman.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. How are you now?
No, fine. I'm going to
Yes. Wait till you get for 10 weeks for 20 seconds. Even for Bangante?
Oh, please, no petrol again. Now, only for food now.
But you know, she said we will use na bicycle.
Bicycle better than a bicycle. If you go, when I job on top of Dingo.
Thank you plenty for Bangante. We salute man. We did call and say, oh, Mr. We did salute Mr. Yes. Now who? Yes. Yes, we did salute Akum Tata. Yes, for Bangante. Akum Tata. Now correspondent for LTM for Bangante. If anything they wanna try with for contact Akum Tata. Yes, we will get the images then before tomorrow. Countryman, yes, we salute the Joe for that side for Bangante. We salute to the S Joe for that side too. Yes. Hello?
Yeah,
hi there. Yes, Gambo, how are you now?
No, fine. I want to come out of boys. That's how the video suppose. If I pass along the time of talk, say, let it go up, let it come down. Normally, first thing for that, they are meeting the suppose for make a minute, no. Say, where you walk out, where do you give the risk that far away, not of the risk for your corner. When it's going to happen for my own day, they will say, I said, carelessness. Because they will use the car, with the same motor, the car. Even if you walk, how many show you look at the look for your phone? Maybe very poor for Camion. Oh, now the only talking about Camion don't do so. The Camion don't do so. But when he is the way the car, make can't believe with them. You can take care of yourself. Before that happens.
Thank you. Hello, we salute Oma for side for Soza. We greet Oma for Penamboko where they watch the program. We salute Tico. We salute Oma for Tico. We salute Oma for that side for Toget for the go for Tico. We salute those with the day for Moyoka. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, how you doing?
No, fine, no, Dinamo.
Yes. Your name and the side of the cosa.
My name is Donado. I go for Tombel.
Yes, for Tombel. How will I sleep for Tombel?
No, we sleep fine, no, Dinamo.
Wait till you get for 10 with petrol to run short or they don't tie on a road.
No, petrol short now outside now. So you don't know the Cameroon now so.
Wait till you get for 10 with contraband.
I want to know about that mayor where it tells me people they not put iron door. When they go for a house, they not go see iron door.
Now question where will they answer them to a contraband?
Then secondly, these people where they call it, we don't know that people they give or go again. Why not go call God make up on camera for anybody skin. But they made the pikin see people that had the worker. Because don't pass people, the man go come up for your house for go find daily job. In the year and say something that for see. But you go on about that.
Well, my brother, and now we Christmas the comes so trouble there. Yes. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning. Come over, corner noise. Are you the teach man for Cameroon? The next person they do the very thing. Hello?
Yeah, morning.
Good morning. Who they talk the person there for side?
Chairman talk. I then have Chico.
Yes. What you go for tell me for 20 seconds?
Well, I did problem for petrol at this year so. We know the petrol, but the corner cash petrol, people they struggle. Even for say I'm corner road. I don't know where we go before they come back.
That means they can't petrol for corner road?
They cash petrol for corner road.
Ah.
I will not get petrol for Cameroon. We cash and say we will get on both sides.
Well,
So now they think they make me.
Asha. Anyhow, we salute the former mayor for Tico Council, where he SSF, they miss their program. We greet all man for Mondema, and we salute all man for Ekondo Titi. We salute all man for Mabunji, and we salute to those with the day for My 20. Yes, we salute to those from Maole and those from Ngoti. Hello? Hello? We take another person where you heard it is celebrity inside. We salute all man for Manjo. Hello? Hi there, no countryman. Yes, have a phone board countryman. Well, Petro will come today, eh?
Well, no, they will see for Saturday with the suffer as over.
Well, when I ask you, countryman.
Thank you, General.
Wait till you get again for tell country people them.
With the one just beg the government, they made the don't with the suffer plenty. All things for Cameroon, no to the worker, no small thing for Cameroon to worker.
Well,
I make and so now with the masses then the suffer, so they pass before them the teacher would have been the office, they take the reserve to do what they use and fine. We don't get where.
thank you. Any person with one call, even if it off volume for your TV, we not feel taggy. We salute Prince Lambert Kiven with the watchway and Tanto Tanda with the watchway for side for Biamasi. With the salute to Mami Morin for Biamasi, we a businesswoman for Biamasi, and we come up for side for Kumbo. Hello? Hello? Okay. We salute Mr. Roger, yes, we salute to Shea Roger when I picking for side from Bot. We the great man we can say Mr. Enosa they watch the program for side for Dumbo. We salute to Mr. Ngwa Charles for we there for Dumbo too, they watch the program. And we salute to Kunde. Hello?
Hello?
Hi there, countryman.
No, fine.
Wait till you get for 10 week, countryman.
And Silvanos from Nonimbenon.
Yes, Sivanos for Nonimbenon Asaula Mwe.
I'm telling you.
Okay, wait till you get for 10 week, Mr. Man.
I know how we not General Moko. Happy birthday.
Thank you, countryman. Wait till you get for 10 week. I say road for come up on Benon carriage for Lassen. I say when I pay now 2,000, 3,000 for Okada.
Yeah, they think now we only bet me the local inside the team.
Okay, thank you. Hello? We salute all the two first them for site from Benon where they watch the program for that site. Hello? We salute to Mr. For Bernard. Mr. For Bernard, we there for site for Chokokam. We they salute person where they come and say, oh, Mr. Bobe. Yes, Mr. Bobe. We there too for Chokokam, for Douala, and we they salute to all man for site for Casino. We salute all man for Casino where they watch the program. We salute all man for Mo. Yes, Mo we na quarter for that side from Kambe. We salute all man from Kambe. We salute all man for Binju. Hello? Hello?
Why?
Okay. 650608498. We salute all man for Akwetor, and we salute all man for that side for Kibo. We greet all man for that side for Bim. We salute those we did for that side for Bongom. We salute all man for Bongom. Hello?
Hello, General Moko.
Good morning.
Well, morning, General Moko. I did call for Bafu Sam. My name is Tambe Augustine.
Yes, Tambe Augustine.
Yes, Papa, on a problem for that petrol palava.
Where, Asha?
Yes, thank you. The make picking that don't be handicapped.
Where?
Even picking that means petrol will like palava. Petrol will like palava. for your water. They don't complain about petrol. Petrol. How about water? Water people begin to come now. And we need to say Corolla there outside 666. The kind of water begin the now they drink them.
Well, Asha, they don't hear you when you don't talk. They don't hear you when you don't talk. Yes. Hello? Hello? Abio demand not disturb. We salute Kola man when a driver where they drive from Ndu go reach for site for Magba. We salute all driver them from Ndu where they go Magba road. We salute all man from Tumbo. We salute Alaji from Tumbo. And we salute two person with na fun from Tumbo and the fun for St. Village. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning. You record at the program or you record at a woman? We salute Pa Lawrence. We shoot for that side for Bonaberi. We salute to Pa Augustine for side for New Bell. We salute the fun for St. Village. It was the program for the palace. We salute to Victor Nyanga Boy for St. Village. We salute all man for Junction for side for St. We don't miss the program. Hello? Yes, the countryman. Yes, sir.
Good morning, General Moko.
Hi, there, no countryman.
My brother, live and so. I want to know concerning that palaver of petrol.
Yes, who did talk?
Now, Mr. Paul, the talk.
Mr. Paul, the talk for side. Mr. Paul, the talk for side. Okay. Yes, we give you 10 seconds. Talk quick.
Yeah, General Moko. You know, I said that disgrace for this country. For country where go get the petroleum platforms then. If they sell their own petrol, their own crude oil for outside, then the population will suffer. It makes sense for a country like this one. You know, people arrange all refineries so that they use the work, construct them. We'll get the engineers, we'll get the technicians for Cameroon here with the deal with refinery for this country. Even the one way they don't burn for construct them, deal them back in that trouble. See how Cameroonians and suffer when they get crude oil inside sea.
Thank you. We salute Park Cafe. Where it is for that side for Bonaberi for General Express where they make you cafe and then make you salad. Oh, Park Cafe. Where all man they flop. Go see where man they make fine chop now so people then go flop. We go make pepper soup, good meat for that side man, chop saute, yeah, interval skin. We the salute Park Cafe for that side. Another person again. Hello? Hello?
Happy birthday, good morning.
Happy. How are you, countryman?
I'm fine, I'm Quincy from Kozwa.
Oh, my man, how for that side for Kozwa?
I don't wake up for 2 o'clock for me, go around no petrol general.
Well, my brother.
Now you just comfort also this morning time. So I want to wish you happy birthday. And now you don't talk at all. Like very big shame. Minister begin for resign. Now we will come on when they resign actually.
Oh, you want me resign, go chop with him, my brother. You say you resign now, we'll chop with him. Well, yes, for Africa, Trump will resign. Eh? You go resign, do how? We salute His Excellency Atanga G. Paul, where he says, he they prepare now for same those where they run gun for site for Northwest and Southwest, where they shoot down for Douala and Yaoundé, where they prepare for give them team where they get for enjoy their Christmas and New Year Day. Yes, with the tongue ye plenty. And with the time to His Excellency, yes, full Callistus gentleman. Yes, we they prepare to for say me picking into the enjoy for site for Donga and Mantum division. Yes. Hello? Yes. Hello? Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning, sir. Good morning. When you record and television, they talk for your corner, you get for big confused. Now, why that one they talk say, me when I know the use when I head for make a mid neck, it is suffer. Because when they over make something way, you know the worker. When I did they picking them for nursery school will not be normal. Hello? Yeah, morning, sir.
I just want to call for Bangam.
Yes. Oh, Bangam man. Yes, talk 15 seconds because time don't catch we.
Happy birthday, General. I may go give you a 50 years again before.
Yes. Thank you. I guess some my friend where they come and say, ni honey for timber, or they alive, or they don't kill them, or they don't enter church, man, no. Or don't go one man country, ni honey for side for timber, we know the hear you again. Hello?
Yes, morning.
Morning.
I the call from the about the day.
Yes.
We only me you told me they put iron do you want me you can do. You know you got it different in there every day. You don't pass me, you know you understand.
Uh-huh.
Ah.
That is not pass all man.
You don't pass me and even gas they do not day all man the summer for your return, it'll be easy.
We salute all man for that side for whether na Titi garage, and then we salute people them for that side. Yes, Marlin that we did for that side for Ngoso. Yes, it don't stay with no ye. Hello?
Hello, yes, Namukola Luz for Bonge Road for Kumba.
Yes, how about Kumba?
No for Kumba.
With the year you sir? The mama from Bongero don't go. Hello?
Hello, Jinamogo.
Yeah, how you doing?
I come with there, Joseph, with there.
Yes, talk me here.
Yes, happy birthday, first.
Thank you.
I don't know what you want to run anything is still in I don't know how it is the whole state of Cameroon to pick the people the whole it is that time even for your own system. Jinamogo then I was like,
Well, I don't mean I own it.
now the whole Joseph with the country whole area was really picking us on your country is in a find with the country. It's gonna find it on Monday years so.
My brother, we will do it now. You there for up, you there for down.
When it is to stop a man's daughter, when it can all pick up with dinner, all this stand the yesterday.
Asha. Hello? Hello? We salute Commandant Abega. We there for that site now, Commandant for Ngoso, for Brigade for Ngoso. Yes, Commandant Abega. Hello? Thank you, countryman.
Yeah, Nadiriko, wa mama for Bonabere.
Oh, wa mama for Bonabere, di my man. Where? Where?
Well, I see the show that the money be as they put iron dog to praise the camp of program. They want me to put a company on my quarter.
I know, say, wait, my brother.
They want me to company on my quarter. They treat you the work for the work at the over go fight for the over pitch going to go inside town. Then the pitch goes inside town. They want a man to use the money. Buy a plot, be a house, put the iron door, put a safety. Then they come for the iron door. They want that thing to do whatever they have.
Live on you. We salute all man for that side for Bali Nyonga, Bali Gasho. We salute all man for the Bali them. We salute all man for that side for play with the column. Now for side for Santa. Yes, for Santa. We salute Free Boy for Santa. He don't stay too. We never hear his voice. With the great Abel Kwamo, we did for that side for Bafo I for LTM, and we salute to Anjento Baba, he says he did for side for Kambe. We salute Ndi Baba, we did for entrance for New Market for side for Nkambe. With the great Oman for that side, we salute the fun for Chup Village, his Royal Highness Fon Jofo, the second way. Now the president for Doma for them say Donga and Mantum Funds Union wasting more time. It go get talk for today house with the time again. All they fund them for Mbumland, yes, Wimbum Funds Union where they get for hold and Donga men. It will be na number 15 day for number 12 month 2023 for site from Beye. And with the social back, say this so, me they fund them, go put eye. If they not receive fine, me they put spectacle. And then look inside this matter for titles, where it is outside for inside Cameroon, and where the cause to the confusion, may they look inside, see how they could solve the problem, so that me confusion not be among the title holder, and me they know what to do, so that me the development it come for that side. So with the time they fund them plenty, and with the time the president for Wimbum Funds Union, we now the fund for Tala, we don't finish be for that side, it prepare how them it could change the meeting. So anyhow with the camera it got turn for reach for that side. So with the time the people them for Nkambe where they run the glad as the road it come, and people them for Mr. too, they don't smile because it they say their own company we get for dig that side, it don't show face. Anyhow we on now for see them and then talk them as we see them. So we thank Mami Miriam and Soto. We not forget Nestor alias Mopao for site for kilometers saying shoe doctor. We salute all man for answers on Nkololo. We greet those who did for that site for Donga Embassy. We salute all man where they watch the program for Bonabiri. So say we na SSF you don't can take a chair And now SSF is on top of the machine. Now they control the Facebook page. Me, they call me say General Moko, the only general for Cameroon. Where it work on our broom for sweep all dirty for Cameroon, send inside water. So that me water carry and go, me Cameroon, it know the smell. Me Cameroon, it clean. We do honor for fix them. We know they for spoil them. Anyhow we did, any man we want, he send me one shack. Yes, any man we want send me one beer for the birthday. You so they send them because we will also receive. People then flop so for down. Where did the wait see this so me I can't quick, but I don't finish. So say we me will go quick, go solve that people that problem. Me they no go chop something with small time, money no go there for pay. Bye bye, we will meet up tomorrow if God will accept, but he go accept because I be the messenger. We don't go, we salute last people them and the people them for Mbabi and Chup. We go meet up tomorrow.